Hey everyone, it's your pal EMDSD14R, and this is my Fleischmann Amtrak ICE update. So it's been a while since I made a video of my Fleischmann Amtrak ICE train. You guys know that I have been in the hunt for the Amtrak cars for a while now, and well, years actually. And I recently found three three Amtrak cars that were on eBay for under $70, and I won those in a bid. But then I had the idea of re-decaling the DB cars into Amtrak, so I got the micro scale decals Amtrak um, P32 decals, or the Amtrak Dash 8 decals, and I used the small Amtrak letters for the re-decaling of the DB cars. So I will show you guys which cars are the factory cars and which ones are not. So this is a factory Fleischmann. The bistro car is factory Amtrak. And then the first class car is factory Amtrak. So these three, these two and this one were on an eBay bid. I paid less than $70 for all three. For 3 hours, my bid was not contested because the bistro car, the cafe, or the restaurant car, I should say, the restaurant car was missing a rear truck. Now, I actually have, and this is my bin of trains, one of them. I actually have spare um, ice cars. So I have two spare restaurant cars, which one of them I use the truck off of, a spare first class car and a spare second class car. And basically, I just use that to put the truck on this car here. Now, the cars that I decaled, you'll be able to see them. So I tried to make it look as close to the factory car as possible. So here's the factory car. This is one that I did. And then I did this one here. Unfortunately, some of the masking tape wasn't sealed and it removed some of the stripe on the service car. And then I had an incident where the tape was sealed, but there was like a half circle under it, and it removed some of the paint there. Those are the only blemishes that happened with mine. This one, I say, this one and this one are the best ones that I did. Um, this one came out okay. It could have been better, but um, I'm still in the hunt for the Amtrak service car and two more Amtrak second class coaches. When I find those, I'll probably just use these as extra cars in this consist, which is fine. Here are the engines here. I tried to take one of these apart to see what was inside because I want to probably put sound and DCC in them, but I decided not to do that because I just don't want to mess anything up. And yeah, not like you can get parts for these. I mean, you could probably get parts from Germany, but I don't think with body shells you can't get parts for them. So, yeah. But the hardest cars to find, well, actually all the Amtrak ICE cars are hard to find. The hardest ones to find are the first class car and possibly the bistro car or the restaurant car. I don't know why I keep calling it that. It's the restaurant car. But definitely the hardest car to find is the first class car. And unlike the other cars, it actually says deluxe on here. So for a while, I thought I had to actually custom do this car. But thank God I got an alert on my eBay that there was three of these cars up for sale from the same owner. And yeah, paid $70 for three of them. And there's the full set right there. So I had the full Amtrak ICE train, semi-factory, semi-customized, but still the full consist as it appeared. And I'm really happy about that. So I just wanted to share this video with you guys. Yeah. So you guys be cool, and I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.